Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a monthly June reading for the sign of Cancer. This is going to be a general reading, may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Only take what resonates and leave the rest. Please do like the videos, guys, and comment and share it with your friends and family so that the video can be accessible to others online as well. Okay, the more you like, the more you engage with these videos, the more it circulates and the algorithm pushes the videos to other people as well. So let's continue reading, Cancer. Let's look at what have you left behind in the past. What energies have you left behind in the past? You've got the Five of Pentacles. What is the current energy for you for June? You've got the Seven of Swords. What are you leaving behind and moving forward towards? What energy are you going towards in the future? You've got the Eight of Wands. Let's look at your biggest challenge for June. The moon is your biggest challenge. What is your advice? The Two of Wands. What is the hidden factor for you? You've got the Page of Pentacles. What is the overall energy? You've got the Ace of Wands. What is the outcome? You've got the Hanged Man. So Cancer, Ace of Wands, this month I see there is something very passionate, something that there's a new opportunity that's coming your way, or you are taking action towards someone or something. This is Ace of Wands is taking action, being passionate about something, a new beginning, a new start. Could be a new relationship as well, a new passionate relationship, or could be something creative that you're excited about. But there's something new, okay, for you in June. Now, what are you leaving behind is the Five of Pentacles. So in the past, you went through something which made you feel like you felt demotivated, you felt like you were not prioritized by somebody, you were left you were left like you were left behind by someone, or something that happened was not fair to you. This could also be some kind of financial loss or a lack of confidence that you're feeling, and you've left that behind. So the good thing is this is in the past, but in the current energy I see Seven of Swords. So you're still kind of, I feel, in that energy of the five. You're coming out of the energy of the Five Pentacles, but you are acting from a place of fear. That is why the Seven of Swords is here, because although you are trying to heal from the past, there's something that is still blocking you. There's some kind of decision that you're making basis the past energy. So this is an energy of self-sabotage, actually. So there's something you're running away from. Either you're running away from some truth, or you're running away from, you're not wanting to confront somebody or someone. So this is an energy of you kind of knowing the truth and still sabotaging your blessings. So in the future, however, the good news is you're leaving that behind and going towards an energy of communication, forward movement. And Eight of Wands is also about things happening very organically. You're not having control over the things, a lot of overwhelming energy, but you're moving forward, which is a good thing. So I see you progressing from the five, going to the Seven of Swords, where there is a bit of a self-sabotage, but you're going forward, okay, in the future. So your biggest challenge is the moon. So your mind is your biggest challenge, your emotions are your biggest challenge. I see there's a lot of fear, again, ingrained here, anxiety. There could be things that you're not seeing clearly. You're making assumptions, maybe, again, basis your past experience, and you're making decisions basis your past experience, which is the biggest challenge here. So you're not seeing something clearly. You're not seeing either your potential, or your underestimating yourself in some way. or you are, too emotional and you're not seeing or thinking clearly. Now the Two of Wands is your advice, so the universe is asking you to be very careful and, take your time to make a decision. Look at the future, look at the bigger picture, rather than acting on impulse, rather than acting on this fear that is making you, choose the wrong option. So the universe is asking you to be still for a while and take your time when it comes to taking an action or making a decision. There's no rush, so take your time with it. Page of Pentacles is the hidden factor, so there is something new coming your way. Again, like I said, this is in the hidden factor, so you're not seeing this come or you're not seeing this happen, but there is an opportunity coming towards you where you can sow the seeds of something new, and that's going to be very abundant for you in the future. Could be money, could be love, but there's something coming towards you for sure. Hanged Man is your outcome. So yeah, this month is a bit of an energy where you are asked to let go of the past, let go of all the baggage, let go of the fear that you are that's making you in this very upside down energy where you're feeling stagnant, where you're feeling stuck. Maybe you're asked to look at things from a different perspective, change your perspective, because that's very important. Otherwise you will continue being in the Seven of Swords energy, and your Eight of Wands is just going to be delayed further. So let's clarify and look at this Ace of Wands. What is this about? What is this new opportunity that's coming your way? You've got the Knight of Wands, somebody who's very passionate about you, but this person is, I feel this is something very casual. This person is somebody you've dealt with before, very in and out kind of a person, somebody who doesn't commit. But this is, there is a new beginning with this person. This person is coming back in. So if you've not been in touch with somebody, I feel somebody could be coming right back in, wanting to start something new with you. But again, like I said, it could be something casual. I don't think it's something serious. So be mindful, okay, when you are making a decision. So Five of Pentacles in the past, Two of Cups. There was a situation where you kind of had feelings for somebody, you developed feelings for someone, but you felt very rejected or left out by this person. You felt that this person didn't care enough for you. It could be the same Knight of Wands who's coming back. Could be that this person disappeared on you, or maybe you wanted something more and this person didn't reciprocate. Whatever this is, you felt left out, okay, and you felt very disappointed by the way this person behaved. But in the current energy, I feel because this person is coming back, you may be considering going back to this person, which is why the Seven of Swords is here. Because knowing very well that this person is not going to be stable in your life, knowing very well that this person is a player, knowing very well that this person made you feel like the Five of Pentacles in the past, you're still going back to this person, which is an energy of self-sabotage. Okay, the Chariot is here. So again, you have a choice. That's what the universe is saying. You don't have to go back to this person. You don't have to entertain this person again. You don't have to welcome this person into your life. That choice is yours. You can walk away. But for some of you, you are choosing to go back to the same pain, to the same experience. And that's why the Seven of Swords is here, which is why the universe is saying choose very wise, be very wise with your decisions, think about the future, look at the bigger picture. This person may give you that temporary pleasure or happiness, but will this person stay? And I think you know the answer to that, which is I don't think they will. So the Eight of Wands in the future, you're headed towards this energy of healing. Okay, so for those of you who are choosing to walk away from this person, I feel that you're on your way to a better energy. You're healing from whatever happened in the past. You're prioritizing yourself, which is a good thing. You're focused on yourself and you're moving forward, and that's when all the blessings come in, because you've chosen you. Okay, you've prioritized yourself over somebody else. Now, why is the Moon in the challenge position for you? You've got the Three of Wands. Your biggest challenge is that you keep waiting for this person to come back. because you're so emotionally drawn to this person. You keep hoping that this person will change, you keep hoping that the situation will change, but it doesn't. So there's always this hope, even if you are, and I feel this is a cycle that you've been through before. Although this person disappears on you, somewhere you know that this person is going to come back. But the point here is they come back when they want to. Okay, and they're not coming back to stay, they're coming back just to have their fun, and then they disappear again. So here, that's the biggest challenge. You are not seeing clearly. You have some kind of an illusion that this person is going to change, but they are not. So, Two of Wands, the universe is asking you to look at the bigger picture. Four of Cups is here. The universe is saying that you have other opportunities coming in, but you are not paying attention to those opportunities. There are other people who are, who may truly be, someone you can look at, someone you can date, maybe. Like, there is definitely somebody here who truly genuinely cares for you, but you're not paying attention to that person. Rather, you're focused on someone who's not available. Seven of Pentacles is here. The universe is asking you to wait, to be patient, because this is like, again, you have some kind of a lack of clarity at this time, and you're not thinking practically, you're not looking at the bigger picture. Until that time, the universe is saying it's the kind of person you want is in your life already, but you have to just turn around, because you're not doing that. You're focused on someone who's not available to you. So you are asked to wait, because rather than be with somebody who's only going to make you feel unwanted, rejected, you'd rather wait and be single for that one person who truly deserves your time and attention. Page of Pentacles here in the hidden factor is the King of Wands. So again, I see that King of Wands here. The Knight of Wands is showing up now as a King of Wands. Okay, so fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, somebody is coming back. Hangman, why is the Hangman here? You've got the Nine of Cups. So again, the universe is asking you to let go of something or someone, look at things from a different perspective, look at the bigger picture, because you're going towards a wish fulfillment, provided you make the right choices, provided you don't self-sabotage. So Cancer, let's look at your Moonology Oracle message. You've got be bold and make the first move. You've got don't let your past hold you back. And you've got conclusions are within reach. Full moon, eclipse. So this is what I have for you, Cancer. I hope this helps and resonates. If it does, please do like, share, and subscribe. If you wish to book a private reading, I'm available. You can reach out to me on my email or my website. All the details are on the screen in the description box. Check it out there. And do like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'll be truly grateful for it. I'll see you again. Till then, take care.